Chris Madison is a senior programmer at the Center for Education, Simulation, and Innovation at Hartford Hospital. He joins us now to talk about his personal experience with COVID-19. Chris, thanks so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, you were diagnosed with COVID-19 back in March, so tell us how you're feeling right now.
I'm feeling pretty good right now. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad. I had COVID for symptoms for about 4 days.
And they weren't super severe symptoms, right?
Right, yes. It was pretty much mild flu, muscle fatigue, weakness, kind of typical flu symptoms, nothing too bad. The loss of taste was interesting. That tended to linger for a couple weeks, but
wow.
Other than that, everything's back to normal now.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that. But now you are paying it forward. You're trying to help save other COVID patients and you're donating your plasma. Can you talk to us a little bit about that process?
Sure. I heard about the process when I was out on quarantine. It really was pretty painless. I ended up driving to Rhode Island. Was the first person to donate there. But they hooked me up to a plasmapheresis machine, which was interesting. It takes longer than regular blood donation, but there's less side effects. So there was no dizziness or anything like that afterwards. So it really was a pretty easy process, and I was in and out in under 2 hours.
That's awesome. And then this is actually really interesting. The Travelers Championship obviously just wrapped up on Sunday, and one of the things they did that was different this year was honor all of the healthcare heroes through the caddy bib program. So your name was actually on the bib worn by Will Gordon's caddy. Did you know about this?
I do. Yeah, it was amazing to see that. It was really humbling to get that recognition.
Yeah, it sounds really awesome. How did that make you feel?
I mean, there's so many other healthcare workers out there on the front lines. It's hard for me sometimes to take that recognition, just seeing what everyone is doing and working together. And so it really just made me feel kind of honored.
Well deserved. Well, Chris, thank you so much for taking some time today to talk with us and for sharing your experiences. Take care.
Thank you. You too.